Did you know that leafcutter ants are among nature's most remarkable farmers? These tiny insects don't eat the leaves they cut. Instead, they use them to cultivate a special fungus deep underground, which is their primary food source. Leafcutter ants can carry pieces of leaf up to 50 times their own body weight. Their colonies consist of millions of ants, each with specialized roles. This complex farming system has evolved over millions of years and rivals human agriculture in its sophistication. Like learning new facts? Subscribe for more.